Alright, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing basic training, text and images merged together. So let's open our Corel. We're just going to copy this and copy this to image model we're going to be using today. So I'll just open the Corel on RGB, and the dimension we're going to be using in inches. I'll change it to inches, change it to 8 by 5. 8 inches by 5. Copy the model and text. The text we've already typed, which is the big super star. We're going to be using this space from edge. So let's use the star first, which is the main caption. So we're going to centralize it. Press your P to bring it to the middle of the page. This lender is what I will use, so increase it to 343. So let's see, increase a bit. Then I'll bring my superstar, change it to a vertical, so it can be readable. Put on top of the E, so the text is now set. So we're going to be using half of the image, crop it this way with your crop tool. So what we're going to do is use the transparent tool to make it transparent a bit, so that we'll be seeing what we are going to cut out from it that we don't want to show. So let's go and get we'll use our pen tools over here to cut those areas we don't want, so that we see what we're tracing. We start from here and all the way down. We'll scroll down, and so we're going to do it this way. Make sure we cut all the parts that we don't want to see. So follow it promptly so that you know you get a perfect result. Okay, do it. This shape is being selected. We're going to hold this shape, then we're going to hold our shift button and click on the model, then back minus front. So that area is gone. Now we're going to do something again, cut the middle of that A, so that we'll not be having image that overlap here. By the time we're going to increase the transparent, we're going to remove the transparent. So same process, zoom out and hold down your shift and click on the model, back minus front. There you go. So the image and the text is ready, the star. So we're going to use double click on your rectangle so that we can remove the outline by right clicking on that. Then we're going to use interactive tool, ordinary G. So we'll shape it this way. We use white all through there. So we want to use a color that will speak out very well, like you see the one you see before you click on this video. So you see where you're going to use a lighter. You can see the lighter shade of the background I use is, since the tool anchor is being white, so you're just going to hold one particular node, then hold down your shift button and click on one color. That is to give you like 5 to 10% of the 5% of the color. So I will do the same thing with that G button, interactive tool. So make it down to more darker bits and scale this yellow down. Alright, so let's bring our model out. Click on transparent tool, then you reveal remove it over here so that I can reveal the image. Now you can see the hand of our model is not showing properly the way it should. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick on our shape tools. The hand is not showing the way it should, and it's not really good. So we're going to do something by bringing our shape tools. Then we'll click on those nodes we are seeing over here and delete them. I'm going to delete them. Immediately we're deleting them. Those images, those parts that will back minus is going to reveal back. So you see, so let's leave it this way. we're going to duplicate it then, so because we have some effects we want to do with it. So let's duplicate and press Ctrl D to duplicate, or you right click on it to copy, right click on it to copy, then you paste. So I'm going to use shortkeys Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or you can just click on it to click and drag it, then you right click at that destination to copy it. So I've copied this way. Now I'm going to come to bitmap, bitmap module and grayscale. So come back to the second one, I'll change to grayscale as well. I'm going to do some manipulation by going to grayscale as well. I'll go do some manipulation. I'm going to the effect, then adjustment. Let's go into color balance. The color balance also is going to bring the property out. So here I'm going to manipulate I'm trying to make it bluish, but the more I put it on bluish, the way the image is coming dark. Okay, so I wouldn't mind. I'll continue increasing the bluish. You can see that the first image is darker than this other image we are manipulating now. So do well by manipulating the way you want. So it's kind of lighter and this other one is darker. So I'm just going to make sure them together, bring two of them together, and here we are. Click on this. I'm still going to do some manipulation on that particular image because it's not up to what I want yet. It's not up to what I want yet. So, and then I'm going to make it this bluish and bring it down. So it is becoming whitish and gray. I think what is happening is because we use gray. Why? So let me use master to manipulate the highlights, to manipulate that feel I'm having. Okay, I think this is okay. I'm going to close that. I'm going to use my transparent tool to blend it a bit. You can now see that the down is kind of darker and the up is lighter. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this model image, the link on my Google Drive. Here we are, and there is the final touch. And what we're going to do now is to make this star, the text, to have a shadow, but a harsh shadow. So click on your shadow, drop it this way, make it 0, and it's going to give you this sharp edge shadow. I'm going to change the tone down a bit, so we're going to give you a feel or something like this. You can see it's nice. So here we are, is what we got. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe. Click the like button and click subscribe and touch the notification bell to follow for more, to get the first-hand information on any of our tutorials that dropped. Thank you for this short tutorial. See you on the next one.